involved in making this dough. Couple of you, this dough for this, and another couple will work on this. The process of making this gnocchi, it's mixing the macamopina. We use this to match the potatoes like this. So one of you can make this.
Okay.
You know the process of making dough. We make a volcano like this, and we use liquid like water and butter in this case. There probably we don't need it because we use a couple of eggs that makes liquid.
Okay.
We can start like this, containing this water.
No,
This is it.
eggs first.
Start to butter.
We generally use the blender to spread the butter inside, especially in the summer, because we need to butter melts in your hands. So this is a dough you should make in few minutes.
Okay, one more
It has to be
idea.
fast.
Incorporate
Mix
the
it.
flour to the butter.
We'll do the same there with the eggs and the rest.
That's a water
So the flour we are using today comes from the end of Campania inland, the beginning of Puglia. We have a friend that makes this traditional grain. You know about the traditional grain? Traditional grain are the grain we cultivated before we made an adaptation to the grain to maximize the. No, we're not talking yet about hybrid, but we are talking about the adaptation of these seeds to certain kind of conditions.